Race number 11. And they're on the way. Intelligent Eyes draws for your lead. Pinas Paraiso moving up to grab the lead and sneaking in Seri, followed by Royal Kapupu. Then sneaking in is Marie's Manpower, moving up on the outside. Barbie together is so lucky. Match play and trading the group is Paycat. Heading towards the 600. Pinas Paraiso leading the field by about 2 lengths. Seri running in second. Intelligent Eyes. Barbie now arriving at the race too as they round towards the 450. Pinas Paraiso. Barbie now moving up to take second. Seri shuffle back in third. Intelligent Eyes as they race for home. It's Pinas Paraiso followed now by Barbie. Seri once again by Darrell. So lucky and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Pinas Paraiso. So lucky now in second. And finally, Pinas Paraiso, so lucky. Seri, then comes Royal Kapupu and Paycat.